Everybody is looking for the fastest way to fix their Roku when that no signal message pops up. It can feel frustrating, but most of the time, it's an easy fix. Let's get your TV working again. First, make sure your TV is turned on and set to the right HDMI input. Grab your TV remote and cycle through the HDMI options until you find the one your Roku is using. Still nothing? Let's restart the Roku. Unplug the USB power cable from your Roku device, leave the HDMI cable in. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug the power back in. Give it a minute to restart. If you still see no signal, it's time to reset the TV. With your TV on, unplug it from the wall. Wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and turn it on. Still not working? Try plugging your Roku into a different HDMI port. Some ports work better than others. If you're using an HDMI extender or cable, swap it for another one you know works. If none of these steps fix it, look up solutions for your specific TV brand. Sometimes, a quick setting change does the trick. That's it. Most of the time, these steps solve the problem. If this helped, drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more easy tech tips.